So guys, I'll be showing you guys something very important in broiler poultry farming. It's called sorting broilers. But before that, let me just show you guys something. Just watch. This is 331. 331. Like this guy is 208. 208. Now, guys, why is broiler sorting broilers important in a poultry farm? Now, the bigger ones don't let the smaller ones access food, number one. The bigger ones maltreat the smaller ones. Number two. Now, the bigger ones don't let the smaller ones to perform their natural behavior, like dust baiting, running around, flapping their wings, playing. They don't. Even dust baiting, they don't. Okay, now when do we sort our broiler bird? We sort them at week 3.